So let's start styling this. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in my CSS. I'm going to make the background color for the bar be green. So this is dot bar background color green. There, so now I have some bars. Okay, now to fit on my screen, I'm going to make these be fairly narrow. So let's go width colon 9 pixels. Okay, and then I want to turn these things sideways. So those are going to be the labels. Bar label. And I want to start with dash WebKit transform, and then I want to rotate 90 degrees, and then scale 1, 0.8. And then I want to do the same thing for, oops, it should have been WebKit transform. That's what I wanted. And then I want the same for Mozilla transform, and O for Opera, and MS for Microsoft. So let's go ahead and try it now. Okay, so those are sideways. And then, even though these are turned sideways, the browser isn't quite smart enough to figure out that these divs are, it still thinks they're wide instead of tall. So I'm going to have to manually set the width on those TDs. So that's going to be these bar chart label boxes. So I'm going to put a width of 9 pixels on that as well. And I think I need max width for that, actually. So let's go and put max. Okay. So to make these bars stack with the bottom, inside of this BarChart bar class, I want a V-align bottom. So vertical align bottom. Okay. And then let's go ahead and get rid of the padding. So the whole bar chart table let's go cell spacing 0 pixels. And then in the bar label, bar chart label, let's go padding 0 pixels. And let's do for the bar as well. Okay, and I still have a little space here. Let's take a look. Inspect element again. So this is actually maybe on this one. Oh, I need border spacing on the table. So probably not cell spacing at all. There we go. So these are jammed together, and what I'm going to do is on each bar I'm going to add a border left and also border top. So let's make this font just a little smaller. There, that's not bad. So the reason I'm making these so crowded and small is because I want to have 100 of them going all the way across. So instead of taking the top 25 names, let's take the top 100. The reason it's 100 is because I want to show the years from 1915 through 2014 later on. So I'm designing with that in mind. So there's the top 100 names. Still a little big for this screen. But that's close enough.